Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add emojis to photos on your Android. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to add emojis to your photos, so let's see how can you do this. First, you just have to look for Google Photos app in your phone. You just have to open the app and then select the photo on which you want to add emojis. I have selected this one. Now tap on edit icon, and here you will have to look for markup settings. And here's markup. You just have to select text. It will open your keyboard. You have to open your emojis on your keyboard, and here you just have to enter the emoji which you want to set. As I'm going to set this one, so just tap on it and then tap on done. And after that, you can easily move the emojis on the photo, then tap on done, and then tap on save copy. So that's how you can easily add emojis to photos on your Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.